All right, so I kid you not, this is a true story. This is not a rant, it's just a true story of what happened today. Let me put on the hat because my hair looks fucking ridiculous. All right, so I have a client today. I was cleaning her pool, right? I'm not gonna say any names, because that's horrible. So I was cleaning her pool. I go there around 11 a.m. That's when I usually go to clean her pool on Tuesday, right? So I go there, start cleaning her pool. 30, 45 minutes, I cleaned it, all of it, vacuum, brushed it, emptied the skimmer, you name it. Added some chlorine, added some chlorine tabs, you name it. I did it all. So I went home. A couple hours later, around 4 p.m., she texted me. She's like, hey, the pool is so filthy. No one came to clean it. What's going on? And I told her, I was like, I don't think that's right, because I was there today. There's no way that pool looks horrible. I told her, can you please send me a picture? She said, no, I can't. I would rather just you come here. And I told her, hey, no worries. I'll stop by right now. I'll be, because I live like 10 minutes away from her house. So I told her, I'll be there in 10 minutes, okay? I'm on the way. As soon as I got there, right when I parked, I told her, hey, can you please meet me in the backyard so I can show you proof that I was there this morning. She's like, okay, fine, whatever. So as soon as we got there, we went to the backyard. I didn't bring anything in. I was like, she was already in the back. So that was perfect. So as soon as I got there to the back, I greeted her. I said, hi, how are you today? Good to see you again. So I went straight to the skimmer, the chlorine floaters, right? That's where you put like chlorine every week. So I went straight there, I picked it up and I opened it and I showed it to her. So right when I was opening it, I was like, so, I put some new tabs in here this morning and let me open it for you. As soon as I opened it, boom, fresh new chlorine tabs. So there was no doubt that I was there this morning. And so I told her, would you like me to open the skimmer basket to show you that it's empty, it's clean? She's like, no, it's okay. No need. So I told her, well, I'm sorry that, you thought I wasn't here this morning. Maybe I was just too quiet. And then she told me this, I work from home and I didn't even notice you cleaning this morning. And I told her, well, I like to keep it quiet, discreet, so that way I don't bother you. I don't bother anyone who might be sleeping, But next time I'll let you know that I'm there. But then she insisted, that it's fine, that don't tell her that it's okay, because she'll know if the pool is clean. Well, obviously you didn't know that the pool was clean this morning, because it was. So I told her, just me being nice, I told her, while I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and clean again, just to show you that, we take customer service to a high standard. So I will clean again. So I started cleaning again, right? Keep in mind, I already vacuumed this morning. So there was nothing to vacuum, but I took out my vacuum to vacuum nothing. But just to make sure that she saw that I was doing it, that I was vacuuming, I vacuumed for her. So I did everything that I did this morning twice today, just for customer service, okay? And plus, I was already there. It was only like a 5 to 8 minute drive. She lives by my house. So I did everything for her again, and she was very, very happy. And I told her next time I will take before and after pictures and I will send it to her. But she said, no, it's okay. And that she trusted me and she told me thank you. And that was it. So just thought that I would share that story with you guys. And it's kind of funny. And some people would quit with their pool business with just like that situation. But, let's keep going, okay? Stay motivated. Let's go.